In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to teleport with Gojo in Jujutsu Shenanigans Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly perform a teleport like this with Gojo. So as you saw, I was able to teleport this short distance towards my enemy. So it's a nice way to close in the distance and surprise them with an attack right away. So all that you have to do is first make sure that you are playing as Gojo and you go through your awakened form. Once you are awakened, all that you have to do is lock onto an enemy and then press R. So as you see here, immediately upon pressing R, which is the equivalent of using my special, I'll be able to teleport towards them. So all that you have to do is press R. Keep in mind that there is a cooldown to this, so I'm spamming R and nothing is happening, but as long as the cooldown is over, you will be able to press R and you should see the teleport go off. Like I said, you can also do this on controller and mobile if you are playing on mobile. Usually, this will be done by pressing the star icon, which is the equivalent of your special, and if you are playing on a controller, you just have to press left on the D-pad, and you will see your special go off. However, like I mentioned, you do have to wait for the cooldown. So once the cooldown is off, make sure that you lock onto your enemy by pressing down on the left joystick and then left on the D-pad. You should see the teleport go off. There's no secret to this, and to my knowledge, you can only do this in your awakened form, but I could be wrong, so let me know in the comments. But this is all you have to do. As long as you press left on the D-pad if you are playing using a controller, you should see the special attack go off, which is the teleport, and you will be able to close in the distance. And if you are playing on something like a PC, like I mentioned, all that you have to do instead is just to press R. So walk up to an enemy. If you are on a certain distance, you will be able to press R after the cooldown has expired, and you will be able to teleport to close the distance and start your combos with M1s or any other moves that you have on your kit. I hope I was able to help you on how to teleport with Gojo and Jujutsu Shenanigans Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.